we primarily work, and we are a consulting organization, right? CX consulting organization. So we don't do too much of bespoke ground up IT development work, but we kind of work around products. And because of that, because of the nature of business, we are closely tied up with a lot of vendor partners, global product vendor partners, and our service lines are kind of structured that way. So if I have to talk about the key skills that we are hiring, right, in our digital experience business, Microsoft Dynamics is one of the key focus areas. So we are constantly hiring on the CRM, Power Apps, and commerce and retail side of it. In fact, Microsoft Commerce and Retail practice was incubated primarily from India, right? So that's one area for sure. Beyond that, we are hiring for SFDC. We've got a SFDC practice as well. We also hire for Pega. We are hiring for data sciences and data engineering practice. In addition to this, one of the biggest chunk of our business in TTEC Digital is the contact center solutions that we provide, right? And those are primarily on three broad product platforms. Number one is Cisco, number two is Genesys, and number three is AWS, in no particular order for that matter. So we are hiring for all these three. These being the services side of our talent pool. We also have a pretty large and dominant in-house product development group, right, which we call Experience Innovation, which focuses on building our own IP assets, which primarily are built on top of whatever product lines that I just spoke about. So that group looks at people with skills on product engineering side, but also capable on either on the Microsoft stack or on the Java stack, right? And in addition, Python and Amazon Web Services, etc. So all these skills are out there. These are on the technology side. We are also looking at people who come with very good contact center experience. It can be across any contact center cloud solution. We look at people who've got good project management skills. We also look at people who can help us do some project coordination work. Eventually, we are also trying to start up things on sales engineering function. We have also some people who we are hiring on the alliances side. So there's a broad spectrum of roles that are there, right? Again, it depends on what point of time we are looking at the roles, but I think this is the spectrum.